little artists! Welcome back to Toddler's Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw a beautiful beach umbrella with a colorful beach ball and some soft sand. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. So grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the top part of the umbrella. We'll make a big curved shape with scalloped edges at the bottom. Now, divide it into sections. This will help us color it later. Great job! Now, let's draw the handle coming down from the middle of the umbrella. A long straight line will do, and don't forget to add a little base at the bottom. Now, it's time to add a beach ball. Draw a big circle beside the umbrella stand. Then, draw some curved lines inside to divide the ball into colorful sections. To make our drawing complete, let's add some sand under the umbrella and ball. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Before we start coloring, let's bolden the outlines to make our artwork pop. Wow, that looks amazing! Doesn't it?
Yay!
Now comes the fun part, coloring. Let's bring our drawing to life with beautiful colors. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Silver color. Wow! That looks awesome. You did an amazing job. Great work, little artists. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun art lessons.
Yay!
See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.